How to reload balance on Amazon shopping app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Amazon. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is go down here and click on your profile, as you can see. After you click on your profile, now scroll down until you find gift card balance. Click reload balance right here, and it will take you to this page, as you can see. Now from here you can reload your balance easily, and click buy now, and you can add a credit card from here to pay. And after you fill those informations, click add your account. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.